Hi. So I want to follow up on what I was talking yesterday about how the universe is always trying to show us signs about things in our life. And I am reading a book by Pam Grout called E to the power of 3. And she's talking about this and how we can ask the universe to show us a sign that it is always trying to bring things that we want to us. And she's asking to try an experiment and ask for something that you want to see in the next 48 hours. So I have been doing this all my life, but as the years passed, I always forget about it, but I always get the signs. So I said, okay, let's try it one more time. And I thought, okay, I want to see a green parrot. And then for some reason, I thought that the green parrot is something easy to find here in Greece because it's a logo of a very famous Greek coffee. So I said, I'm going to see that easily. So let's try something more difficult. And I said, I want to see a blue bird. So the next morning, I'm scrolling down Instagram and I stumble on one of Ellen DeGeneres's videos on Instagram, and I never watch her videos, but for some reason I started watching it because she was showing a recipe on how to make a martini, and in the middle of the recipe some lemon went into her eye, and she said, okay, let me go back and get my parrot patch. So she leaves the screen and she comes back and she's wearing an iron patch, and on her shoulder is a fake green parrot. And I say, no, that must not be it. Let's wait for the red, the blue bird. That was too easy. So the day passes, and the next morning I open again my Instagram account and I have a friend request from an account which is called The Little Blue Bird Books, and the image is a little blue bird. So yes, this is my confirmation, and this is why we attract what we ask for in our life, what we focus mostly on in our lives. And I ask you to try this experiment and ask to see something that you wouldn't expect to see in the next 48 hours. And then if that works, and I'm sure it will, then try it with more and more things and see how life is starting to bring you the things that you focus on. And one last thing that I wanted to say about that, because I was discussing it with some friends, is sometimes it's not that we don't have these things in our lives or that we don't see them, it's just that we don't focus on them. So as soon as you start focusing on the things that you want and not the things that you don't want, then you will be able to actually see them and bring them more into your life. So let me know how the experiment went, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.